Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary if you didn't know me, and today I want to start my food book series. I just came home, it was raining outside, so don't look at my hair please, and I'm very hungry, so I wanted to make lunch for me, and then I thought why not to film it. It is a very easy recipe, it's very healthy, it doesn't take much ingredients, it doesn't take much time to prepare it, and it's extremely healthy. If you're looking for healthy recipes, just stay with me. So I'm gonna be making couscous parsley salad for my lunch. For that I need 100 grams of couscous. You can see for how many people you're cooking, and depending from that you just need to decide how much couscous you need. I have 100 grams here. It's for 2 persons, and but I'm gonna eat the whole salad probably by myself. And I have here lime. You can take a lemon if you want. I didn't have a lemon in my refrigerator. I took lime. I will need a little bit cherry tomatoes. You can take any kind of tomatoes you want, and you need bunch of parsley. The parsley is here the key ingredient, and the more you have, the better it tastes. So what I have here is couscous. I just added a little bit water just to cover the surface of the couscous a little bit more. I added here salt, and when it boils now, I'm gonna take it from the fire. I'm gonna close it and leave it for 5 minutes to soak. Leave it for 5 minutes to soak the water, and then the couscous is done. So it's so easy to make. Then I'm gonna mix all this together and see if it's sour enough for me. Now I'm thinking you can add some feta cheese to it, either like Greek feta cheese. I think it will be tasty either, but I haven't tried it yet. I was just thinking now that with feta it would be nice either, but if you just eat plant-based, then you just leave it like this. Hi guys, today I'm gonna be making fajitas for us for dinner. We are 3 people at home, me, my husband and my daughter. I'm not sure how much Audrey is gonna be eating from this. Probably she will eat some chicken. But I'm going to show you now what I have for fajitas. So over here I have some chicken breast fillets. It's 400 grams. I have fajita set. It comes with ribs, some spices, and the sauce for fajita. I have a salad. I'm gonna take just half of it and the rest we will eat tomorrow. I have vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, Tabasco sauce, I have kidney bones, sweet corn, some sour cream. Here I have cheese, I have ledama. Can you see it? Focus. Some ledama and onions, 1 onion and garlic, and of course salt and pepper. I hope I didn't forget anything. If I forgot something, I will tell you just while making this. So first of all, I'm gonna be chopping this onion.
Mami, moet het beginnen?
Was musst du beginnen? Mal dein train? Your train? You need to repair your train? So now I chopped my onion, and half of it I put in this frying pan and the other half in this pan. Now I chopped here some onions and one garlic clove, and I'm gonna add some safflower oil here and roast it a little bit. I'm roasting my chicken with onions, and now I'm gonna add the sauce and the spices to it. Or I will leave it a little bit more to roast, then I will add the sauce and the spices. So while this is getting done, I will start with my kidney bone mousse, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. Now, here I have my onions. I'm gonna add now 1 garlic and some vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. And the seasoning for my chicken. Now I'm gonna add my kidney bones. white pepper, and some seasoning. You can take any kind of seasoning you have. Over here my chicken is done already, and I'm gonna put it away just for a moment. Here I have my kidney bones. I just cook it for 2 minutes and then I mash it. So guys, my fajitas are done. Over here I have my chicken with the sauce, I have my kidney bone mousse, I have the sauces, a salad, I have my sour cream with sweet corn and cheese, and I have my wraps, and here I have Audrey. Audrey, say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.